What's going on here, YouTube? So today, we're gonna go eat food and Russell's naked. I'm gonna have enough sweet tea to feed an army by the time we're done going to Sweet Tomatoes. Because I keep bringing home a thing of sweet tea every day. Every day, all day. And we made it! Ah, to Disney Springs. Who would not want to eat an Olaf like that? Bubbles. Bubbles, 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 bubbles! Bubbles! I love bubbles. Hey guys, watch, I'm gonna jump over the fountain. Or watch this! Yo, that was sick, eh? Okay, let's keep going. Alright, let's go. The upper balcony of Coke Store?
Yeah, the upper balcony.
Okay guys, I'm gonna jump to my mom! Oh man, and we're jumped to mom. Hi mom.
Hi.
Now we're gonna go get my phone fixed because it's broken. See how it's like black and like cracked here? Alright guys, well I just put my phone in there. We just finished at the store and my screen is replaced! Woo! We're going to the mall, right Dad?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're here at the van store and they have American Needles here. Beef jerky is always a good sign. A living M&M. Never thought I'd see the day. Snapchat kiosk. Buy Snapchat glasses. So we're gonna go back to the hotel and we're gonna eat some food and then we're gonna go to bed and get up tomorrow. And we have a country show we're going to tomorrow. Alright, so guys, we're gonna sign off for now because going home and eating food isn't very exciting. If you want to see what else I do during the day, check out my Snapchat, Curtis24, Curtis with a Z. And check out my channel, Curtis17, I think, on Instagram. I don't know, it'll be on the screen somewhere. And then, but yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll have some more exciting things tomorrow.